Mr. Hafiz, what will happen if you turn on the switch but the buzzer still sound even after approaching the reed switch with a magnet?
Oh, for the answer for that is quite easy because you just have to keep the magnetic field in the right position in order to meet the magnetic lead switch sensor. This will allow the buzzer gonna be silent.
Finally, wait.
Mr. Haikal, sorry for bothering you, but I have one question. Where can your project be placed other than the door?
Come on, man, it's quite easy, you know. You know, we create a safety door alarm system, not just for a door, but you can put it in the closet, drawer, or even a car.
Oh, I see. What components are the main focus of your project?
The component that is our main focus is the magnetic reed switch. It will react when a magnetic field is nearby. As in my mini project, when the magnet is far away from magnetic reed switch, the buzzer will connect with sound.
Oh, that's why alright, thank you Mr. Haikal. Sorry for bothering you again.
Yeah, it's okay. Welcome.